Assalamualaikum and hello to everyone. Welcome back to my channel. In my second video, I'm going to talk about morphology and anatomy of monocot and dicots. So let's keep watching till the end. So before we get to know what is monocots and dicot, you must know one thing first, which is angiosperm. So what is angiosperm? Angiosperm is a plant that produces flowers. So most of the plants are angiosperms, and for example, herbaceous plants, maize, and cactus. So the first appearance this angiosperm was at least 110 million years ago, and from an unknown gymnosperm ancestor. Flowering plants risen to dominance in most of the world's floras. So angiosperm is divided into two groups, which is monocotyledon and dicotyledons. This is the characteristic for monocots. The first one is seed. There is only one cotyledon. Look at the picture. Okay. And the second one is the leaves. The leaves is like the grass-like leaves, which is the like grass-like. Okay. And the third one is their petals, which is only 3 petals for monocots plant. So and the next one is their roots. Monocot roots and the flower is fibrous root, which is the onion roots. Monocotyledon. The last one is the monocots. This is they are the grass-like of monocot stem, flowering plants. They got the epidermis. The seed contain one embryonic leaf or cotyledon. Cotyledon. So this is another example of monocots, orchid, and so this is another example of monocots. First one is paddy, and the second one is orchid, and third one is ginger, and the last one is palms. Dicotyledons. Commonly, dicotyledon referred to as dicots, and it is a flowering plant with an embryo that bears 2 cotyledons. Most of the dicotyledon plants are mostly like veiny-like flowering plants. For example, oak trees, roses, and dahlia. So this is the characteristic of dicots. So the first one is their seed. Dicot seed. So dicot seed has 2 cotyledons, and the second one is their leaves. So dicot leaves usually looks like veiny-like, net-like. For dicot roots, they look like a taproot. So monocot is fibrous, and dicots look like taproot, which is look like carrot. Okay, so the next one is their flowers. So dicot flowers, petals, usually in multiples or 4 or 5. So the last one is the anatomy of dicot stem. So dicot stem has epidermis, which is their outer layer, and collischema, the layers below the epidermis, and the third one is pith, and next vascular bundle, next is xylem, and then phloem, and the last one is cortex. So this is another example of dicots. The first one is roses, and the next one is magnolias, and the third one is geraniums, and the last one is hollyhocks. So that is my explanation for morphology and anatomy of monocots and dicots. Thank you for watching my video, and see you in my next video. Bye!
Missing someone.